You are merging onto the highway, putting your foot down to get up to speed, and suddenly your transmission slams into the next gear so violently it feels like you just got rear-ended by a heavy-duty truck. That terrifying, bone-jarring clunk and the glowing check engine light are classic warning signs that your powertrain control module has triggered a P2825 diagnostic trouble code. This specific code means your vehicle's computer is seeing an electrical signal that is completely out of the normal operating range for transmission pressure control solenoid J. To really understand what is happening under the vehicle, you have to picture an automatic transmission as an incredibly complex hydraulic maze. Instead of you manually shifting gears with a clutch pedal, your car relies on an intricate network of electronic solenoids acting like lightning-fast traffic cops. These solenoids precisely direct the flow of highly pressurized transmission fluid to engage different clutch packs and bands at the exact right millisecond. Modern transmissions have so many gears that they require a whole alphabet of solenoids, reaching all the way up to J and beyond. When the engine computer detects that solenoid J is not functioning optimally, it realizes it can no longer safely regulate the hydraulic pressure for that specific gear route. It immediately panics and throws the transmission into a protective limp mode to prevent catastrophic internal mechanical damage. Before you start stressing out and assuming you need to buy a completely rebuilt transmission, you always need to start with the absolute easiest and most common culprits. I cannot tell you how many times a harsh shifting problem was caused by incredibly dirty, contaminated transmission fluid or a restricted fluid filter that is literally starving the solenoid of hydraulic pressure. If your fluid is full of metal shavings or smells severely burnt, you have found your starting point. However, if your fluid is completely full and bright cherry red, you are likely chasing an electrical gremlin. You will want to carefully inspect the external wiring harness that plugs directly into the transmission case. It is extremely common for road debris, water intrusion, or heavy engine vibrations to cause chafing and corrosion on those tiny metal connector pins, creating the exact range and performance error the computer is warning you about. Grab a digital multimeter and verify the electrical continuity of that harness, because finding a simple broken wire will save you a massive repair bill and get your transmission shifting buttery smooth once again.